These are Swemos fabric markers. They are a permanent dual-tip acrylic paint and they are wash-proof colors. That way you can just do your designs in your shoes or in any type of fabric that you would like, either shirts, um, fabric napkins, anything creativity can think of, you can do with these fabric markers. So they come in 10 colors and they have two different brushes, this kind and this kind. And these are the colors that are included and these are the instructions. So that way you know how to utilize them and just do your work, your artwork over here with them. So here I just wanted to show you with some stencils how you can utilize it. I'm not a great drawer, so I wanted to try it out also with these stencils and to see how the white will perform in black fabric. And it was really nice. It's actually really smooth and it was easy to draw with, and it feels really good depending on the pressure that you put on the color. It will give you the intensity of the paint, which was super cool. And with the different tips that you have, you are able to have different designs and angles, and you can decide how thick or thin you want your stroke to be. And here I wanted to try kind of like a t-shirt fabric. So this one was just a little bit more challenging too because it's more elastic. But if you find your way to do it, it's really nice. The colors are intense and they go by really nicely. So like I said before, depending on the pressure that you put is the intensity of the color and the stroke, and you can utilize it as a brush. So that way it's easier, or you can do an extra layer. It will depend on what you would like to do. So here I was just improvising some circles and like little fruits, which was the most simple thing that I can think of to show you. This was a cloud, or attempting to do a cloud, but I wanted to show how you can utilize the different colors, and also if you want to just do one color first and then mix them with other colors, that's something that you can also do, which I started doing with the white. That way I utilize the white to kind of give that extra like shade and brightness, and also like a deep blue to do on the contour. So of course your creativity is everything that matters when utilizing these markers. However, I also wanted to point out that after you are done with your designs and you're done with everything that you feel that it's ready on either like shirts or your shoes or wherever you decided to utilize these markers, it is important to make sure that once it's applied, you have to head set with an iron. So make sure to do that.